Today is a World Sleep Day. The World Health Organization is conducting an event on every second Friday of every year on a world sleep about importance of the sleep and sleep disorders and complications related to sleep. Sleep disorders can be present in any of the age, like from the age of the old age group also. So most commonly the kids also will have a sleep apnea. 25 to 35% kids will get sleep apnea. The most common symptoms in the sleep apnea in the kids is so nighttime no proper sleep, always disturbed sleep, snoring and abnormal positions and crying in the night and getting up in the bed. And in the daytime sleepiness is hyperactivity, not performing good school performance like this. Most commonly this is comes with a repeated cold and cough in the kids. So because of this repeated chronic adenitis and chronic tonsillitis, because of this nose and throat is getting blocked, they are not able to breathe through the nose and throat. We can investigate this is very simply with taking one X-ray and examining the oral cavity. The simplest treatment for the kids sleep apnea is tonsils and adenite removal, so that the patient will get good benefit immediately after removing these two drugs. After this also, if a patient is not responding, then we have to refer to the higher centers and also with different specialty branches to evaluate further management. Thank you.